Welcome back to VereTech Gaming. Today, we're going to talk about the Emote wheelbind's teleportation. This includes how to create a command group, fill the command group with the commands we want the emote to trigger, and finally, how we apply that command group to the emote bind. For reference, we also have our complimentary guide, which you can refer to at any time outside of this video. As you can see on screen, the address is docs.veretech.systems and navigate yourself to the Emote Wheel chapter. Without further ado, let's get into it. Before we start, let me show you the coordinates I've gathered for today's video. These are as seen here. To get these coordinates, you need to enter the game and get yourself in a position where you want to teleport. I chose Outpost. Quick tip, to avoid the teleport forcing your player onto the map, enter No Clip mode and ever so slightly float above the ground. Open up your in-game command panel and enter the command player POS, all one word. That's PLAYERPOS. This will then show you on screen your coordinates like I have here. So, now we know the coordinates we wish to bind, let's go ahead and install it. To start, we are going to need a command group. We can do this by using -cmd group-add and entering a name of your choice. For the purpose of this video, we're going to call it Outpost TP. Hit enter, and you will see we now have confirmation that the group has been created. Now that we have our command group, let's go ahead and put some commands inside. Because we are doing a simple teleport bind, there's only one command we really need. Now, let's add the teleport. /cmd add, select the command group we just created, name, we can name it whatever we wish, but again for the purposes of this video, let's call it TP, position we can talk about in a later video. For now, just enter 0, and finally, the command, the important bit. Global.teleportPOS. Our coordinates, which are seen here on screen. Finally, the placeholder player name. Please pay special attention to the correct brackets, quotations, and capital letters in the correct positions. If you don't do this as shown, it simply will not work. Hit enter, and you will get a confirmation that your command has been added. You can add up to 25 commands into a command group, but for the sake of keeping it simple, we're just going to go with one. Now for the bind. Since we're only going for a simple bind, we are just going to cover the basics. To start, use /bind-add. Select your game server, select the command group we just created. Ours was Outpost TP. Which emote you want it? We're going for I need stones, but you can tie this to any emote you want. And finally, the channel. This dictates which chat you want the bind to listen to, team, local, server, or all. For ease, we're going to choose all and hit enter. You will now see that your bind has been created. We will get this confirmation which will show everything we've selected and placed. And there you have it. You have successfully completed your first teleport bind. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one where we will dive more into the wheel binds. Happy grubbin'!